Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I am back. Yay! My voice is almost there. Can you believe that after almost 2 weeks I'm still dealing with the itty bit of laryngitis, but I feel strong enough and I feel well enough. So I'm very sorry that I've been MIA, but as you know, or if you've seen in the other videos, I was very sick, so I have been MIA. Just wanted to quickly show you guys my Sephora play bag. Now unfortunately, or fortunately for me, because I'll be saving money or whatever, this is going to be my last bag. I'm just going to show you the items really quickly, and then I'm going to just let you guys know why this will be my last bag. So the first product I got is from Bare Minerals. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Sheer Sun Serum Bronzer, which is, I mean, looking very good. It looks decent. This is, you know, again, you shake this well, and this is for bronzer. You could put this in your foundation or what have you. So this is just a small size here, as you can see. So I'm going to try that out, I guess. Next product, this is from Becca, and this is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. This is pretty much a primer that you put under your makeup. It's supposed to blur lines, supposed to, you know, give you that that illusion that you have perfect flawless skin, and it has illuminating factor in it. You know, has a nice illumination factors in that product, so you can put that alone. You can use it with or without foundation. If you just, you know, are on your way out and you just want to use that by itself, you can use that. Next product, this is a sample of Tocca. This is the Tocca perfume, and this is in the scent Florence, which is a decent scent. I've smelled all the scents, and I actually only like one, and that's the Amelia scent. That scent, I guess it's pretty decent. Next product, this is from Bumble and Bumble, and this is the BB Don't Blow It hairstyler for great hair days without the heat or hassle. This is obviously for your hair, and it's a styling cream to style your hair and protect it from heat. So I will be trying that. Next product, this is from Tarte, and this is the Tarte Guard 30. I have not tried this, but I've seen it on the Sephora website. This is pretty much what it says. This is sunscreen that you can put under your makeup. It's supposed to last, not supposed to smear off like typical sunscreens. And then the last product, and this product I've tried and I've used for quite a while. This is from Benefit, and it's their Real Mascara. This was actually one of the first mascaras that I tried from Benefit, and I liked it a lot. I really did enjoy this product. I now enjoy the Roller Lash. I think that the Roller Lash is, I mean, it kicks butt like 10 times more than this product. Not to say that this product isn't good. I do like this product. This product also works really great if you layer it with the Roller Lash mascara. So these are the products that are in my Sephora play bag for this month, and I am really considering just ending the subscription. The reason is because I don't know, this is just my personal opinion. I just feel like for the $10 that I'm paying, I just don't feel that the products are worth it. All the products are, most of them, even though I've only gotten 2 bags, they have been like samples, like samples. I mean, something like the perfume, this is something small that you can get when you make a purchase at the Sephora store or online. These are also things that you can get with points. You know, like last month I had like the little Bite Beauty lipstick, and that one you were giving those out for a while for a 250 point reward. So you know things like this, it's like you can kind of like get them with points. They're always giving them away as samples, or if you type in a code, they give away these products with a purchase of like $25 or more on a product online. So I kind of feel like these products, I mostly can get them through winning points, through you know, promotions and things like that. So I kind of feel like I'm just paying an extra $10 just for products that, to me, it's just like, it's just kind of like not worth it. You know, if it was kind of like Ipsy or Birchbox where they actually provide you with a full-size product, I mean, sometimes all of their products are full-size products. And you know, I haven't gotten any full-size product here. Maybe I'm spoiled with Ipsy, or you know, I'm thinking that's what it is. I mean, even with Lip Monthly you pay $12.95 and all of the products are full size, you know what I mean? So it's, you know, I don't know, to me it's just kind of like not worth it. Maybe it's worth it to other people, maybe, you know, other people think differently, but for me personally, I just don't think it's worth it. So I'm really going to consider if I want to renew for next month. I'm really not sure, but if next month July rolls around and you do not see a Sephora Play box unbagging on my channel, then you definitely know that I totally cut out the subscription. So that's it, guys. Wanted to let you know and just, you know, show you what I was you know, getting. I've had the bags for a couple of days now, but again, since I was like dying, I couldn't get on here. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have not. Let me know what you want me to do on my channel and I'll try my best to do that. So thank you, guys. Adios.